Good evening, friends. Hello, Gopika ma'am. Really, I feel myself very fortunate that I joined this class. I was just scrolling the WhatsApp and Facebook, and I find your name, and I was glued to your name and these details about the program. And now, after 4 weeks, I think we joined on 29th of September, and this is almost 4 weeks. In these 4 weeks, I find myself that my confidence level has improved a lot. I find myself lot of positive changes in me, and I hope I will carry your lesson in the days to come. And definitely I propose to hold a seminar and webinar on a Zoom platform and WhatsApp platform. This is my deep desire. And thank you, ma'am, for instilling these habits, being regular, being confident, being a speakerpreneur, and you have taught lot of things which will help me in our forward journey. And that one, I remember the word PSD, planning, structuring, and delivery. That is really magic. And by following one simple formula, we can speak on any platform, any bigger platform, and really I am benefited, and I am grateful to you for taking this course for us. And really, I am very grateful that you have taught lot of things to me. Thank you, man. Thank you very much.
Uh, Good evening, Dr. Gopika ma'am and all fellow colleagues. It was a very nice journey of 4 weeks of learning, I can say. At the beginning, we all were at a beginner's level. And today, after 4 weeks, I think we have achieved something and we have reached to a next level, a one step ahead. But this is not the end. We have to go improve ourselves by practice and by delivering with confidence. See, nobody is 100% perfect, but confidence is main thing, I think. And as Dr. Gopika ma'am told that how we can take it forward. So for me, my duty as a chief technology officer is to always motivate my team and get best out of them. See, I'm not doing practicals or I'm not doing everything, but I have to manage my team and to bring best thing from my team. So I have to train them. I have to take away best thing from them. So this speakerpreneur will definitely help me, because before this program, I could say that I was getting irritated or I was getting angry very quickly with my team. But within last 4 weeks, I tried to speak with my team members very slowly, very peacefully, and that is helping my mental strength also improving. I can do much more work if you control your anger. No, you can improve your ability. You can improve your strength. So that also I learned during this. Maybe it's a speakerpreneur, but I have improved. I have learned in many other areas also, madam. Okay, and my responsibility will be double. So there, this learning will help me a lot, madam. Okay, so this is what I learned, and I'm definitely confident that I will do better with this experience. No need to say, because without your inspiration and your minor small comments that where we have to improve, this could not have been possible. So thank you very much, everybody, and especially Dr. Gopika ma'am. Thank you.
Especially Gopika ma'am, naturally, it came naturally, and I registered for an initial that couple of days program, and that I got impressed. I thought, yes, this is something I wanted to go ahead. And the way you had expressed and the way you were you are very keen. I was so impressed. In a few minutes, of talk, you could able to exactly point it out and explain where we are lacking, or where is a strong point and where we have to improve. Rather lacking, I will tell you, I would like to present in a positive way. So that is what like no, that is very impressive, and it carried out day by day. Like no, second day also I thought let me check again. Like no, something you are coming up with a brilliant idea, and so it was very encouraging, and I thought this is for everyone. If they are a leader or is subject to their profession or not, it's very important. And for me, it's expression. It's a very normal, like any layman has need to express it in a right way. So that was very important, and I could achieve it from you. Many things, but it's on. Once we have finished, the course is finished, but the journey has started right from there. The journey begins, and till end, you are not taking your appreciation to yourself. Yeah, I observe everything. Like you say, okay, that's okay, but important is to implement. So that is like no. Yeah, happy once somebody is going to take over the thing, carry and use it, implement it in his life or in the subject, you know. So that was really appreciable. I keep it everything in my mind, and it's something like that. We call it chubby or chubby head. Yeah, hats off to you, and I'm really happy that I could able to accomplish this subject with you, especially. Brilliant.
Thank you very much, Gopika ma'am. I really, and all my fellow students, I really feel privileged to join this course because I found it, especially Gopika ma'am, very motivating and encouraging us, and it has given me courage to speak up because otherwise I was never sure if I would be able to speak in front of anybody because, I think your modules and way of teaching is excellent, and it has definitely given me some courage to speak, and I'm sure I hope to improve in future also. And thank you once again.
It was an amazing journey, ma'am. We do not want to leave you.
Nice. That's true.
That's correct.
He got bonded with us.